So if you go to the generators, scroll down, we have 4 generators, which is fusion generators. In DaVinci Resolve, we can create amazing background. If you scroll down in generators, we have 4 fusion generators. Now we can create amazing background using these generators. So I'm going to drag this contour, select this one, and now as you can see, we have versions right here. So if you see right here, we have different kinds of version. We can change the pattern of these version. We can also repeat this one. We can ping pong this one, and we can change the position to animate this background. We can also customize the color if you want to. Now I'm going to select the 5th version and I'm going to change this to square, change this to ping pong. Now if you scroll down, we have color, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to select this one, and now I'm going to change my color to this one. Now I'm going to select this one, click here, and I'm going to change the shadow color as well. So I'm going to add this color. Now hide this one, and in shadow I'm going to also change the color. So I'm going to select this one. Now as you can see, we have the softness, so we can lower and we can increase the softness as well. So I'm going to place my softness to about here. And now if you open the control, we can animate the position to animate this background. So let's go to the fusion page, select this contour, and now as you can see, we have this position. So go to the first frame, add a keyframe in position, and go to the 30th frame, and I'm going to place this to about here. Now go to this spline, and now as you can see guys, we have these keyframe. So first of all, I'm going to select these keyframe, smooth out their animation, and I'm going to set this as a loop. And now if we go to the edit page, as you can see guys, we have this loop background animation. Now the best thing of this generators is we can increase the duration, and as you can see guys, now it will play this in a loop. Now if it is too fast, then we can go to the fusion page, click here, we can go to the spline, uncheck loop, and we can click here to draw a box, and we can drag this. So this is the first frame, and now we have to go to the last frame about here, and now let's place this box to about here. Now we can click here, we can select this keyframe, and now we can set this as a loop. And now have a look, we have this slow animation of this background. Now we can increase the duration as much as we want. We can change the duration to 1 hour to 5 minutes to 2 minutes, etc. So this is how we can use generators to create amazing background in DaVinci Resolve.